So how do you rebuild equations? Again, it's almost similar to the, that you please sit down, please sit down. See, whatever I realize as my role in the relationship going bad, right? I need to correct that. Even if it means I go and say, sorry, I made a mistake, I should have not done that. I don't know what made me do that, but I did that. Now you are courage enough to go and accept that, right? And you, as you yourself have said, I am ready to mend now, but the other person stops responding. What you can do about it? The other person's mind, the other person has to deal, isn't it? So the other person is not responding. So what? You cannot be attached to that person anymore. Give that person a space. Swami Ramtirtha says, attach you lose, detach you gain. Suppose you go on and say, every day morning, please, please, please accept me as your friend again. Please, please. All the time if you're sitting there and crying, you will lose. Now if you leave the person alone, that's only possible if you have got some amount of true love. You understand, maybe that person needs more time to mend the relationship. From my side, I have done whatever I have to do. Then give that person a little space. Now when you do that, what happens is, you've moved yourself away physically, right? But what happens is slowly you start entering that person's mental space. Because they'll think, Arey, this person said sorry and he moved away. He or she will start thinking about you. You understand? So you're giving them a chance to rethink, and the possibility of relationship becoming better in future is always there if you do this. But if you continue, get attached more and more, it will only become worse. It will never come together. You cannot allow yourself to become a doormat also. Please somehow accept me in your life. And nothing of that sort. I understand that it will be nice if we get together. I am sorry about it. Whatever has happened, whenever you're ready, I am there. But then it cannot be that I become a beggar. I cannot live without you, nothing of that sort. You have your life to carry on. Continue with that.